Well, if you look at digital twins and what they mean, it will be kind of the natural evolution of where we're going from building information modeling, for example. We have a strong idea of the identification and generation of digital models, and now we're getting into the integration of sensors or IoT devices. So when you merge the two together, you get what is known as a digital twin that will allow you to have a much better understanding and visualization across different components of the phases of the life cycle of a project. So it's not only important during the construction phase that you can monitor and have a quick understanding of things that might be deviating from their plant conditions, but also, more importantly, in my opinion, during the operations and maintenance, where the majority of the time and efforts will be put into infrastructure. So during my talk today, I'm going to give a summary of how we can utilize digital twins to make a more sustainable built environment. And in that regard, I would like to highlight some of the opportunities that we have, but also be aware of the challenges and some of the limitations that we need to overcome to ensure that we have a full integration across the different phases and across different stakeholders. So when you look at interesting opportunities of how we can exploit digital twins in the bigger context, right? If of course, we can have a good understanding at the space level, looking at an office maybe or a house, but when you start expanding and escalating that into maybe the building, the neighborhood, and the city level, then the interaction across different elements really becomes very exciting. And there are many things that we could look at with regards to water management, transportation management in a more integrated way, keeping in mind the users as well, right? Which are an integral part of the systems or the build infrastructure, the build environment that we are in.